Hi and hello, welcome back. Jana here with a new process video for the Hip Kit Club. Today is Monday and so we are playing with some mixed media stuff, and I'm working with the April 2021 kits, but I grabbed some colors from previous color kits and I thought I would go with purple, pink, yellow and some gold to color these textured shapes, and I used the stencil from the April color kit. It's from Cartabella and it's this gorgeous floral circle, but it was totally not what I expected and so I'm just dabbing off the color, and then I will go with only the two yellows on my right side, and I would just go in with lots of water and I would just color these circles, and I will add a lot of splatters around everything, and then I will have a look into the kits just because I had no idea what I wanted to create, and so I was not sure about the colors, I was not sure about the stuff I wanted to use, but I knew I wanted to scrap a picture from our puppy. You can see his nose on the left side, and he was just being totally adorable, and so it's a totally just a random dog picture, you know. Yeah, but like I said before, I had no idea what I wanted to use, and so I will stop on one point just because everything needs to be dry and I just need to look into the kits. Yeah, I'm just adding the color to the last flower circle, and I totally love how this is looking. I love how the color, excuse me, I love how the color is running between the texture paste, so it's very bumpy and rough, and I totally love how this is looking. And I am kind of happy that I only used one shade and not mixed all of them together. But here you can see I rolled over my paper with a paper towel, so I took off some of the wet color, and I totally like that because now it's a very soft background with three colored areas, but it's not too bright and not too distracting from everything else, and so I totally love how this is looking. Here you can see the picture. I added 4 layers of tissue paper, and now I'm I decide what pattern paper I want to use for my picture. For the backing, I knew I wanted to bring in some more papers, but in the end I will only go with the black and white one I just added, and one of these Simple Stories labels in yellow, and I will also add the create paper cut out piece later to the picture. Yeah, and now I'm just starting to play around. I wanted to limit my color choices, so I decided to go with yellow and a touch of blue, turquoise tone, and yeah, I don't know, I couldn't find so many pieces, but I made it and I like how the layout turned out. And here I'm just grabbing some some cardboard stickers, chipboard, cardboard, I'm not pretty sure, just some stickers from Mickey Holmes Create Paper, and I will cut them all out. And here you can see I also added his name, Odin, onto some vellum, and I used the black puffy alphas from the kits. And now I'm playing around, and because my puppy is looking to the upper right corner, I thought I would go with some kind of the design I'm working on right now, so the picture on one side and some elements and some clusters on the other side. But I don't know, it was not looking right, or it was what, I don't know, it was not working, so I will work on that, and I will move everything closer together to the middle from the page. And I really love that I did that because I love how it's turning out. So I added some chipboard stickers, some puffy stickers, and now I'm just grabbing what's color matching, you know, some yellow pieces, and here I decided to bring everything closer together, and I'm just layering my pieces close around the picture, and I love how this is looking here. I thought I would go underneath the picture with my title, but I will place the title right next to it, but I will place the butterfly and some hearts on the upper right corner so that my puppy is looking to the butterfly, if that makes sense to you. But yeah, so now I will bring in, oh yeah, here I had the idea to use this giant You Shine piece, but no, just no. So I grabbed some light green minty chipboard hearts from this sheet, and I will also bring in some thread in the same color, and then I would just play around, because it took me ages to finish this page, and I don't know, it was just not working. So here you can see I had a little break and I sticked everything together. I added some thread underneath the You Are So Loved and Favorite stickers. I also added some of the same thread to the left side from my picture between the paper and the yellow label. Now I'm gluing down my pieces, my title and the butterfly and the hearts. And I will add some journaling lines under the word Odin, and then I will, let me think, I am not pretty sure. I know I will, oh yeah, I'm grabbing some teeny tiny black flowers from this sticker book, just because I had the feeling I needed some black, so I will also bring in some black splatters at the end, and you will not see that, but I will do that. And yeah, now I'm just scattering some of these teeny tiny black flowers around my picture. And then I will grab the ruler and a pen to add some journaling lines right under his name. And then I will bring in some animal dots, and the dots were included in a previous kit. And I will grab some yellow ones and some in these light minty green color. But next to that, I am done. Yeah. And I totally love how this is looking. I really love how the mixed media is, or how the mixed media turned out. I love the just the messy texture, and I just love it. So I think I am nearly done. So you will get a close-up and some final pictures at the end. And thank you so very much for stopping by. I wish you all a great day. And that's it. Thank you and bye-bye.